Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and today we're going to be discussing about dandruff and how do you handle dandruff issues. So I got asked this question in the comments about how I handle dandruff issues, especially having a 16-month-old baby. How do I handle dandruff issues in my 16-month-old baby? And I did reply to the person who commented saying that I will be making a video on it, but since her situation was a little urgent, we did connect on Instagram and I did give a few tips. And I'm so glad that it worked out for her. And today I'm here to share my tips and tricks with you so that you do not have any more dandruff problem in the future. But yes, without wasting time, I'm going to start this video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also, watch this video till the end because I'm going to be telling you about one amazing product which was informed to me by my pediatrician. I never knew there is a product that is that great in the market, and it's really good. I use it for my baby every once a week because he doesn't really face any dandruff issues because of the rest of the measures that I take. But still, I will be giving you information on that, and that product is amazing. So watch this video till the end and do not miss out on that information. So the very first tip I have for you is to use lemon. Yes, lemon is actually a very good ingredient when it comes to removing dandruff or fighting dandruff, in fact, or for fighting any kind of bacteria, because it burns it. It'll kill it. It'll destroy any kind of infection that you're having on your scalp. So what I do is I generally use it once a week. This is not for kids. Please don't try this on your child because children have really sensitive skin, and if you use lime, I really don't know how their skin is going to handle it. I never tried for Augustine at all. I haven't tried it. So I wouldn't recommend it for your baby, alright? Use it for yourself. I use it once a week because I don't have dandruff. But if you have dandruff, you can use it at least twice a week. Use it on your scalp, cut the lime into half and rub it into your scalp. Let it remain there for around half an hour to 45 minutes. If you can hold the itching for up to an hour, then great. Hold it up to an hour and then you can wash your hair. But I would still say at least minimum keep it for half an hour on your scalp. It will work wonders. After few washes, after the lemon scrub, few washes, you will start to see the difference. Moving on to point number 2. So point number 2 is to oil your hair. Now this you can definitely try for your kids as well. I will tell you the kind of oil you can use for your kids and what you can use for you and what is the difference between both. Alright. So oiling is really nice. Not only does it help heal your scalp. If you're someone like me who has like really bad dry skin, and my skin is like horribly dry and I have to literally use a lot of cream and moisturizer to keep my skin normal. But if you're someone like me who's got like really dry skin, then you may be knowing that if you do not oil your hair frequently, you're going to get dandruff for sure. So what I suggest when you oil your hair is you make different oil. Just don't use a normal parachute oil. You can use that, definitely will help you. But apart from that, if you want to add some more things into it, it will be more beneficial. Now these are things given to me down from my mother, and my mother got it from her mother, so you know the South Indian thing, it works, it's really nice. So I'll give you 2 types of oils. If you're using it for your baby, then in coconut oil, when you can get a nice parachute bottle, you can boil it, and when you're boiling it, add a lot of curry leaves, add a lot of it and let it nicely boil till the curry patta literally looks like it's burnt. Okay, once that is done, you can strain the oil and you can use that on your baby or your baby's head. Just 10 minutes before bath, 5 to 10 minutes, apply it, massage it. If you can give a steam to your baby, fair enough, that is really nice, and then give your baby a bath only on the scalp. Okay, steam when I'm talking about it before bath. Now when it comes to you can use onions as well. Now onion is really good. Onion juice is really good for your hair, and onion, it helps your hair improve as well as grow. And if you know me personally, you know that I have a very thin hairline in this portion which has comparatively improved so much over this time frame because of this onion oil that I am using. What you have to do is, if you're taking one normal medium-sized parachute bottle, then with that you can either take one huge onion or you can use 2 medium-sized onions, chop them up really fine, or else you can grate them as per your wish and put them into the oil when the oil is cooking with a lot of curry leaves in it, and yeah, till the onions burn, boil them, cook them, and then strain it into another bottle that you can use and use this. Now what I do is I oil my hair at least twice a week. If you can oil it more than that, that's good. And I keep it on my head for minimum 1 hour. For babies, it's only 10 minutes. Please don't oil your baby's head for way too long because they'll fall sick. But for me, I keep it for minimum an hour on my head, and then since I can't use a steaming machine because Augustine will run behind me, what I do is I dip a small face towel in hot water and I will wrap it around my hair just before bath. Just before I go for a bath, after the 1 hour of applying the oil is over, I'll dip it in boiling hot water, squeeze out the water, and cover my head for like till the time it's hot. Then again I'll dip it. I'll repeat this process thrice. And then once the third time is over, then I'll just massage my scalp a little bit. And after I finish massaging my scalp for 5 minutes, I'll immediately go have a bath and wash my hair. And I'm done. So the third point I have for you is steam. I did mention it in the second point as well, but then I'm going to mention it again. Your hair, when you steam your hair, it can absorb the product better. So I say whenever you're putting a hair mask, if you notice when you go to the salon, they'll give you a hair steam, right? So if you're doing it at home and you have a steamer, you can just steam your head a little bit. Otherwise, if you don't have a steamer, just use the hot water cloth method that I mentioned in the second video, but definitely do it. Steam your hair more frequently before you wash it, because if your scalp is dirty, or if the pores are open and the dirt is inside it, then definitely you're going to get dandruff. So the cleaner your scalp is, the better it is for you to avoid dandruff or any kind of infection, in fact. So make sure that if you can steam, then please steam. If you're in a hurry, then avoid it, but whenever you have the time, please do steam at least once a week. Give your head a nice steam. It's more like a spa, and then afterwards when you condition it or shampoo it and then condition it, your hair is going to feel amazing and look amazing. There'll be a different shine to it. So yeah, do try that out and let me know in the comments once you've tried whether you like it, how did you do it. If there's a better steaming method that you have, then please do let me know in the comment section. And now moving on to the fourth and the best till now, as I had mentioned, I will be speaking about the product which was given to me by my pediatrician, which is tried and tested on Augustine, and it's really, really, really nice. So the fourth tip that I have for you is the shampoo called Nizoral. Can you see it? Yes. So this was given to me by my pediatrician. In fact, even grown-ups can use this. This is that nice. So it has ketoconazole anti-dandruff solution. I don't know how to pronounce it. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, then I'm really sorry. It's only for 132 rupees, and as an adult, if you're using the rest of the tips, then you probably won't require this. And for babies, this lasts like really long. So the thing is, in between, when I was a little busy with some things in my personal life, I didn't get that much time to oil Augustine's head more frequently. And Augustine has really dry skin just like me. And since I wasn't using all the methods on him, he did tend to catch dandruff in between, and I freaked out because I couldn't use the lemon on him. I didn't want him to have any cuts because he's 16 months, so he's falling, he's running. I didn't want to have any scratches or him to have any kind of a reaction for anything. So when I called up my pediatrician, the only thing he told me is, okay, go and get him this shampoo and try it out twice a week for 3 weeks, and you will never see dandruff on his head again. And I was like, all right, let me see. I didn't have to use it for 3 weeks at all. In fact, after the very first week, I just used it twice a week, and the result was amazing. There was no dandruff on his head. Of course, I started oiling his head again. So yeah, I did take precautionary measures along with it, but the dandruff had completely gone. Even for the lady who had asked this question, this shampoo has worked wonders. So this is something you definitely want to try it out. Even for you, since it's not only for kids, even you can use this. Use it at least twice a week if you're having dandruff. It should help you get rid of it very quickly. And after that, see that you don't really, not take care of your scalp so you can get dandruff again. But for Augustin, just in general, I use this once a week now. Even though he doesn't have dandruff, I still use it once a week because it's winters, and during winters kids tend to catch dandruff really soon. And since he has dry skin, that's something I don't want to take the risk with, because when they have dandruff, it's itchy and it's irritating, right? So yes, that's all I have for today. I hope you like this video. I will show you the image of this once again, just in case you didn't get a good this. Can you see it? Is it clear? Yeah, so this is the shampoo. It's for 132 rupees. It's very cheap actually, and it lasts a long time. So this is now the 3rd month and the bottle is just half. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Do let me know in the comment section whether you liked it, whether you tried any of these things. Will you be trying anything more? Is there anything else that you try so I can try it on my baby? Let me know, and then I can put another video on that. Also, if you like this video, please like, share it with your friends and family, and if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe to my channel. That's all that I have for you for today.